Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bush design, and this design is a bush, and this part is a use this inside, and this bush design is a very important for background student is also very important. And guys, this is a very important 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all geometry is looking perfect, and this is body is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all is a assemble here. Okay, this is a very important, and this is isometric view. Okay, and this drawing is this is a revolve boss base is apply here. This geometry is a this material is apply here. Okay, this is a material is a copper, and this is a very nice looking here. And how to this body is design easily and clearly today discuss here. This lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and at first select this part and some important point setting here plain white, and this is going to document properties. Okay, and this image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and select some important point is this this front plane is used here better. This front plane some this geometry this dimension is used here. This is drawing this reference line, and this distance between this 62.5 millimeter is radius, and 72 millimeter and 78 millimeter, and again this is a diameter is same. 62.5 millimeter is diameter is 125, and 72 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 144 millimeter, and this 78 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 156 millimeter, and all dimension in millimeter, and this distance is a 40 millimeter, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter, and this incline this distance is a 8 millimeter, this incline. Okay, and this angle is a 135 degree. Okay, all point is one by one is drawing here. At first select a plane, front plane, and two line is a two reference line is drawing here. Two line is a center line, one by one is drawing this center line. Okay, and select a line, and line is a some geometry is drawing here. This some angle is inclined, and okay, this is perfect. Okay, and connect to this and this to this, connect to this. Okay, very important. This geometry is drawing here a simple geometry, and a smart dimension is used here, and all dimension is a okay. At first this length is a 62.5 millimeter is perfect, and select this 3 dimension. Radius is 62.5 millimeter, and 72 millimeter, and 78 millimeter is drawing here. At first and select this drawing this 72 millimeter, and select this drawing this to this is a 78 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and drawing this 78 millimeter. Okay, and at first okay, okay, and again select this length is a 40 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this point is a drag here. Okay, okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a okay, and this incline is a this angle is a this angle is 135 degree, and this point and this point distance is a 8 millimeter, is very important. Okay, all point is one by one is a mention here, and all is a perfect and correct, because this is a fully defined, because all is a black color, and all dimension is a mention here correct. Okay, 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 and this is a perfect, and this is a correct. This is a 3 dimension, and this is a radius, and this is a diameter, but all is same, and this 40 millimeter and 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter and 135 degree angle, one by one all dimension is a setting here easily and clearly you can see here. And going to this revolve boss base, and this axis is select here, and okay, okay, this is a convert a 2D drafting is this convert a 3D help of this 2D drafting. Okay, all geometry is a fitting perfect and correct, and material is apply here, and going to this metal and copper, and this copper is a polished copper is perfect, and this is a perfect. Isometric view is also better, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, all dimension is used here easily and clearly, and this bush design is very important, and this use inside. Okay, okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.